The nervous system. So the nervous system, it's made up of two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And the central includes the brain and the spinal cord. And if you zoom in on the brain, it's made up of all these kinds of different cells. It's made up of neurons, and those are the cells that send signals. And then it's also made in these things called glial cells, which provide brain structure, regulate brain processes, do processing, all sorts of other stuff. They kind of help out the neurons. And the brain is the thing that receives the input, processes it, and sends the output to the other parts of the body so you can respond. Fun fact, the signals that the brain processes, they can be both electrical and chemical. If you zoom in on the cells, like at the ends, the synapses and stuff, you'll see that there's like voltage, gated channels, to let things in where you'll need to raise the electrical voltage, and then there's like chemical binding receptors too. So that's cool. It can be both electrical and chemical. And then the spinal cord on the central nervous system, it connects the brain to the rest of the body, the rest of the neurons. And then the peripheral nervous system, it's those nerve cells that branch out from the spinal cord to the rest of the body. And kind of like blood vessels, they go pretty much everywhere, from skin cells, they're in your skin, to muscle cells, like in bone and stuff. And again, the information can be physical or chemical, and it goes everywhere because the body needs to be able to, sense information and process it. You need to feel pain if you put your hand on a stove, otherwise it can cause like serious damage. You need to be able to walk, and many other reasons. You need signals pretty much everywhere. So that's the nervous system, and that controls information flow.